हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर क्लास 10 का। सो व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, सी अ कॉपर वायर हैज डायमीटर 0.5 mm and its resistivity is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So here question is that what will be its length, okay, and here resistance is given 10 ohm. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? That is the second part. Okay. So let us start what we have to do. Here diameter is given. So we will write diameter equal to 0.5 mm means millimeter. And you know that while solving we have to convert into SI unit. So it will be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. How it is? So you know this simple formula, that is millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, then decameter, hectometer and kilometer. If we are moving from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide. Means कितना स्टेप हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं, दैट 1 2 3 स्टेप. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 to the power minus 3 or we have to divide by 1000, means 0.5 by 1000. So it will be this one. So here therefore what will be the radius? It will be half of this one, means d by 2. It will be 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Why we will find radius? Because of that we know the formula for what? Resistance or resistivity. Okay, now here I am finding here area, that is pi r square. You must keep it in mind that while solving here it asks that what will be the length, and you know that since resistance equal to rho L by A. Okay, R resistance, this is rho resistivity, L is the length of the wire and A is the area of cross section of the wire. Okay, so here I am finding here the pi r square. Okay, so what will be here, that the value we have to put 22 by 7 into r is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Okay, this is the part for area. You may solve here or we will solve later on. Okay, now resistivity is given. What is the resistivity? See, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistance is given, that is 10 ohm. So we have to find length. We will use this formula, that what? Since R it is equal to rho L by A. Now we will put the value for finding L. So it will be L equal to what? R, this will go here, so A by rho. Now we will put the value. Resistance 10, that here what is given, that A area of cross section, that is 22 by 7. So we will write 22 by 7 into that here 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 square, and here it will be rho, that the value is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now question is that how we will solve this. Is the something looks like complicated one. So no problem, just what you do, just take the numeral value. Here it is 10 into 22 into, if you will multiply 25 two times, it will be 625. Here is decimal after 2 digits, so it will be now decimal after 4 digit. Okay, and here 10 to the power minus 6. Here that 7 into 1.6, and you what, send this 10 to the power minus 8 to numerator, so it will become here positive 1. Okay, now what we do, just see that here is one decimal, so you can remove here. So this decimal will go here, it will become now 100. Okay, now see 22 into 625. If you will multiply 22 into 625, it will be 13750 into here 10 to the power 2, and here that what we got here 10 to the power what, 2 is here is 2. Now here is 112. Now what we will do, see that here is 3 to the 6, and we send here that it becomes 10 to the power 8, it becomes plus here. Now decimal is goes here, and now here is how many 0? 1 2 3 4 0. So we have to write here into 10 to the power what, minus 4. Why? Because that it will be in denominator, and when you will transfer to numerator it will be this one. Okay, then after just you have to see that here if you will divide this term, what we will get, 122.76 into 10 to the power 0. That means what, 122.76 meter. This is the length of the wire. Okay, now second part is that what is asked, that in that second part it is given that how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled. You may proceed like this also, means just you take this one 2r the whole square like that one, but we will not do that. Okay, simply we will find when what diameter is doubled, then new resistance, that I am taking r dash, what it will be. Okay, so what I will write, that first I am writing here rho L by A for what, pi r square. So pi, in place of r I am writing here 2r square. Why? Because diameter is double, it means radius is doubled. Okay, now see here, it is rho L by 4 pi r square. Now this see 1 by 4 rho L by 4 pi r square. It means what, 1 by 4 this rho L, this pi r square will give what, area, means that is original one. It means 1 by 4, and this is what the formula, that is r, means original resistance. So 1 by 4 into 10, that it will be 2.5 what ohm. This is our answer. Like that we have to solve. Otherwise what you have to do, just put the values and then you have to calculate it. But no need of doing that one, simply you have to solve like this. Okay children.